My name's Luke with ShieldCo here in downtown Frederick. We're just going to do a little quick video through our shop today. I'm wearing one of the custom plastic face masks that we're making for our COVID response. We got our little break room here and our product wall. In here we've got our office, and Vinny's working on a three-dimensional mock-up, so if you get a sign from us, you'll always see a 3D mock-up before we go into production. Back here we have our staging area and our sewing machines for making masks. And we have just some more material for the process. Got a little conference room. This is where we put a lot of our material as we're getting it cut to be able to make masks. And we also have some more of our plastic face shields over there. We're going to deliver them shortly. Got Steve and Doug over here are working on a sign that's going to go down to Florida. Here's the other part to it. Double-sided and illuminated. And then we just come over into the more fabrication area. This is my favorite part of the shop. Got this new table that we just finished for Mary Kate Battles, still stand-up table for our office. Got our woodworking area here, and we've got a more of a metalworking shop here in the back. As we continue to fight through these times of COVID, we got to just keep on fighting together and keep on making things. Thank you.